Hello, I'm Jewell and today I'm going to show you how to use the knife blade with your Cricut Maker machine. Now remember, the knife blade will only work with your Cricut Maker due to the adaptive tool system that only the Cricut Maker has. To load the knife blade into your machine, open up the blade port, take out the blade, pop in your knife blade, lining up the gold indentations, and close. Remember, when cutting with the knife blade it will take a lot longer than a normal cut. This is because the knife blade does multiple passes over an image to get through a thicker material. For this reason, you need to make sure that you're using a USB cable with your machine, not cutting via Bluetooth, as the connection may not be strong enough. To cut thicker materials, we need to prepare our machine and the material on the mat before we cut. First of all, I'm going to move the star wheels, which are these white 4 wheels along my machine, all the way across to this side. This is so that the material can pass through without it being damaged by the star wheels. So just push them. They will be a little bit tricky the first time you do it. Push them all the way along to the end. Next, we need to prepare our material to go into the machine. So grab your strong grip mat, I'm going to be using chipboard. Make sure you take chipboard out of the packaging and leave it for 24 hours before you cut, so that it can get rid of any moisture and lay itself down so that it's dry and ready. Place it onto your mat all the way to the left side so that you leave room for those star wheels across this side of the mat. Make sure it's nicely stuck. Next, and this is a really important step, take a masking tape and you're going to tape all the way around the material. This is to ensure it stays in place whilst it's cutting for a long length of time. You'll end up with something like this. Now load this in the machine as you would normally do and proceed with your knife blade cut.